Well, my name is Leroy Pingel, and I grew up in northern Iowa. And I spent my whole life helping my family farm. I went to school to be an electrician, and I make a good living. And I just live day at a time, I work hard and try to make the right decisions, and I don't dwell on some of the mistakes I made in the past. And it'd be nice to be able to actually, hey, I voted, and try to make a difference. I'm an American citizen, but from a mistake I made, I can't vote. So in a way, I don't even feel like I'm part of this country sometimes. If you don't have that simple right to do that, it really impacts you. I don't talk about it, but it does bother me. When I was in high school, I always had issue with anxiety and depression, and I was bullied when I was younger. So I spent a good part of my younger days just trying to feel like everybody else, And unfortunately, I started smoking some weed and drinking and thinking that was the way to fit in. And so, no, I didn't care about voting. Now as I get older, and I look back, and I'm thinking, I have so much more wisdom today. And as time goes by, you realize that how short life is. And I want to be able to vote. It would mean a lot to me to be able to cast my vote and go home and say, what, I'm an American citizen. I'm not going to let a mistake I made how many years ago affect my ability to vote. I want to be able to say that I did something as an American that it could make a difference.